The LCD iPhone will not be delayed after all, according to rumors coming from one of the most famous sources. It looks like the LG V40 might bring a total of 5 cameras and a notch, because why not? And the FCC has just approved the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so we expect it very soon. I'm Jaime Rivera. I tried to make the bet as much as I could, saying hello from Frankfurt. There's a lot of coverage coming, but pre-recording dailies is crazy. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. I know the ASUS ZenFone 5 is not necessarily the newest phone in the market. It's almost 2 years old, but here's the thing. Snapdragon 625, 4 gigs of RAM. And right now this phone is being sold for $150. So if you have a phone that you need to buy for a kid or for your little brother or whatever, this is probably a good way to start. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the standalone Oculus Go. I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of VR, but I know that a lot of people love it, and Oculus is doing an amazing job with the Go. It's pricing it aggressively, and right now it's extending to other markets. So up to 300 stores, including Amazon. You could get it starting at £199 in the case of the UK, for example, for the 32 gig. Do I recommend it? I tested it in the demo area, I liked it, but again, it's VR. It's up to you. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I am really looking forward to this phone, and yes, it is just being approved of the FCC. That means that we should expect it very soon. How soon? We're hearing the first week of August. I'm already setting my calendars and everything. Stay tuned. We hear that a lot of the rumors of what we've seen in renders is pretty much what we're getting. Now let's move the spotlight over to LG, as we hear some crazy rumors that the company really wants to go out with the V40. Finally, I hope they do the same for marketing. We hear 5 cameras with a notch, and the reason why we have a notch is because there are 2 cameras at the front with a stereoscopic sensor. I hope I got that right, for 3D sensing and unlocking the phone, and then 3 cameras at the back where it's the regular, the wide angle, and we're still not sure what the 3rd camera is going to do, but I mean, come on LG, fine, let's see what you end up bringing. And finally, the hottest news today have to do, I'm not exactly sure if the iPhone X 2018 or the fact that Min Chi Kuo is back. We know we can trust these rumors, as we hear that there might not necessarily be delays with the iPhone X 2018 in the case of the LCD variant, but there are issues in production of the LCDs. So apparently, even if we get the phones announced at the same time, we'll probably have to wait for the LCD iPhone until later. Now the question is, if this is the entry-level phone, why would you wait for it? It seems that the price tag is going to be insane. It's going to start at $550, and I'm not exactly sure which variant will extend up to $800, but that's crazy. That is OnePlus territory. $550. So let us know in the comments, would you buy an iPhone if it were priced that way? Particularly when you've got devices like the OnePlus 6 in the market performing great. In my case, that's definitely a crazy price tag we've never really seen from Apple at this stage, so leave us a comment down below. I'm really curious to read your opinions. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the camera of the Huawei P20 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.